Hello everyone, in this video we're going to install Claude Code into VS Studio. We're creating this video because we found it kinda confusing, and we hope this video will help you clarify and help you to install it successfully. So let's jump into it. Here is my VS Code. What we're usually doing when we want to extend its functionality is going to the extensions. But if you're writing here Claude, you can see Claude like this. You can see that there are a lot of extensions, but no one of them is the official one. And I see that there are a lot of downloads, but they are not the official one. If you want to integrate Claude Code, you need to do the following. Go to the Anthropic documentation, take this command, which installs Claude Code into your computer. And after you install it, you can use Claude Code in whatever terminal you want to use. Okay, so now let's install it. While we're waiting for the installation, I'll explain to you about our channel. If you're a software developer who wants to ride the AI wave, to get all the news and to use AI for your daily work, this channel is for you. I can see it is already completed. So now, in order to use it in my VS Code, I just need to write Claude, and great, you can see that we're starting to run into initialization. Now I can write any command, understand my code base. You can see that it is currently I don't have a balance in my premium account, but if you want to use Claude, you must have a user with subscription. It is not something that you can use for free, but this is how you integrate it. If you want to learn more about Claude 4 and to understand its new features, you can watch this video. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe for more content like this. See you.